In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online banking with OakNorth. This tutorial is designed to guide you through the process step by step, making it easy for you to manage your finances from the comfort of your home. Setting up online banking is a convenient way to keep track of your accounts and manage your finances with ease. Let's begin by heading to OakNorth's official website. Once you're there, look for the login button. You'll usually find it prominently displayed on the home page. Click on it, and you'll be presented with an option to choose between personal and business banking. This choice will depend on your specific needs, so select the one that suits you best. Now that you've navigated to the login page, you'll see an option that says Register Now. This is where you start your journey to setting up your online banking. Go ahead and click on Register Now to begin the registration process. This step is crucial as it will allow you to create a unique user profile that will give you access to OakNorth's online banking features. As you proceed, you'll be required to follow a series of instructions and fill in the details needed for registration. While this may seem straightforward, it's important to take your time and ensure all your details are entered correctly. These typically include your name, contact information, and perhaps a few security questions that will help protect your account. Speaking of protection, let's discuss how to secure your account. This part is essential in keeping your online banking safe from unauthorized access. The first step is to set a strong passcode. Remember, a strong passcode is one that's hard to guess, yet memorable enough for you to recall easily. It should be a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance its strength. Once you've set your passcode, it's highly recommended that you enable two-factor authentication, often abbreviated as 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone or email each time you log in. With 2FA, even if someone gets a hold of your password, they won't be able to access your account without the second form of verification. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your online banking with OakNorth. With this setup, you can now manage your accounts, check balances, pay bills, and even transfer funds, all from the convenience of your computer or smartphone. Congratulations on taking this important step towards efficient financial management. If you have any questions or need further assistance, OakNorth's customer service is just a call or message away. Thank you for watching and enjoy the convenience of online banking with OakNorth.